Saoirse Brennan Okonkwo hasn't moved. White enamel tray, 8 color knots, harmattan dust on the plastic chairs, wood smoke, schnapps at the Obi, where titled men in red caps wait. Lolo Ngozi chose her, not the daughters-in-law who grew up speaking Igbo in their sleep. Her. Behind her, Adora. Cousin, teacher, 5 a.m., cold tea. Same sentences again and again until they stopped sounding borrowed. 4 steps from the Obi. 4 women round the side passage and stop. The Umuada, daughters of the lineage. Chigozie, 71, has not decided what she thinks of her nephew's Irish wife. Her face says, deciding now. Onye ka ọ bụ? Who is she? A test with a door in it. Ọ bụ onye nkuzi. She is a teacher. One Umuada woman shifts. Enough. The short breath. The second sentence. Ọ bụ nwanne m. She is my sibling. Not blood. Kitchen table. Cold tea and the word again, until it stopped sounding like a word. A declaration. Ndewo no. I am Yvonne Choma Mbanefo, heritage futurist and daughter of the soil. Welcome to Igbo Daily Drops, episode 66, week 14, day 1, Monday. Mmadụ bụ chi ibe ya. A person is the visible God of another. What you say about someone is the most powerful thing you can give them. Ka anyị bido. Let us begin. Chigozie is still. The Umuada hold formal authority over wives who marry into the lineage. Jurisdiction, not opinion. Scholar Joseph Therese Agbasiere documented this. Ruth Ledge, 2000. Ancient, constitutional. What Saoirse does next, nobody coached. Onye ka ọ bụ? The same door, opened from the other side. Today, 3 sentences. The ones that name another person into the room. Repeat after me. Sentence 1. Ọ bụ onye nkuzi. In English, she is a teacher. Ọ bụ onye nkuzi. Ọ bụ onye nkuzi. Ọ bụ onye nkuzi. A fact, a rank, a gift. Sentence 2. Ọ bụ nwanne m. In English, she is my sibling. Ọ bụ nwanne m. Ọ bụ nwanne m. Ọ bụ nwanne m. Not blood. Chosen. Sentence 3. Onye ka ọ bụ? In English, who is she? Onye ka ọ bụ? Onye ka ọ bụ? Onye ka ọ bụ? A gate, a key. These 3 sentences are in your free speaking workbook. Download it at learnibonow.com. If you are driving, just listen. The workbook will be waiting. Chigozie says something low, too fast to catch. Then she steps aside. Lolo Ngozi, at the kitchen doorway, who designed this moment, closes her eyes. The way you close your eyes when something you hoped for has finally arrived. Mmadụ bụ chi ibe ya. A person is the visible God of another. Adaora made Sosha possible. Sosha carried that name into the hardest room of the morning. Mmadụ bụ chi ibe ya. Not about need, about what people are for. In Igbo land, we knew this before the scholars named it. Agbasiere documented it in Women in Igbo Life and Thought, Routledge 2000. The Umuada's powers, her words, are as extensive as they are ambivalent, including authority over incoming wives. More striking, Nwanne is not bounded by blood. A stranger is termed Nwanne if they helped resolve a conflict. Adaora earned it. Anthropologists confirm this pattern worldwide. Turning strangers into allies requires social technology. The Igbo had one. One word, spoken, witnessed. Mmadụ bụ chi ibe ya. Your chi helper is not a metaphor. They are infrastructure. If you want to practice with other families, the Igbo village-speaking gym will soon be open. Say ọ bụ nwanne m today about your chi helper, the one whose name you would carry into a difficult room. Not as practice, a declaration. Every sentence you learn is a drop, and every drop feeds Oke Osimiri Mmụta Igbo, the ocean of Igbo knowledge. Grab your free speaking workbook at learnibonow.com. Rate us wherever you're listening. Your review is how another learner finds their way home. This has been your Igbo Daily Drop. Abụ m nwanne gị nwanyị Yvonne Chioma Mbanefo. I am your sister Yvonne Chioma Mbanefo. Ka onye ọbụla ịkpọrọ nwanne hụkwa gị n'anya. May anyone you have called sibling love you in return. Ka anyị hụ echi. Until we meet again tomorrow.